السلام عليكم طلاب المرحلة الثانية. اليوم تكون محاضرة الثانية لمادة اللغة الانكليزية. We began our lecturer with present simple. The form of present simple, if it's positive or negative, the sentence, the sentence is contained from subject plus verb and then continue the sentence. For example, we live near here. I live near here. She lives near here. Or we can say, if we use negative, we say, you don't live near here. And we can say, she doesn't live near here. بمعنى انه المضارع البسيط الجملة تتكون من الفاعل زائدا الفعل زائد تكملة الجملة بحالة المثبت والنفي. والأفعال إذا كانت I, we, you, they تأخذ فعل مضارع بسيط وتكملة الجملة. وبحالة النفي نستخدم قبل الفعل don't. لكن إذا استخدمنا الفاعل he, she, it راح يصير الفعل بS الشخص الثالث. وبحالة النفي نقول doesn't live. She doesn't live near here. If I use or if I want to make a question from the sentence in the present simple, we began with where, which is a question word, plus do or does, and then plus subject plus the verb, and after that question mark. For example, where do we live? Where do you live? Or if I use a subject like he, she, it, we should say, where does she live? Where does he live? This is clear. And if I make a short answer, like if I began the ask or make a question by do you like Peter? The answer will be yes, I do. This is short answer. Does she speak French? No, she doesn't. This is the short answer in negative and negative answer. إذن السؤال اللي نقدر أن نركبه يتكون من أداة الاستفهام اللي هي الوير والهو والوين والهو how, and then do or does بعدها الفاعل بعدها الفعل وعلامة الاستفهام. لكن الأسئلة اللي تكون جوابها أجوبة قصيرة اللي هي short answer نقدر نبديها do or does حسب الفاعل المستخدم. Do you like Peter؟ فالجواب راح يكون بحالة المثبت yes I do. وبحالة النفي إذا كانت الجملة does she speak French? No, she doesn't. Uses. The present simple is used to express. The first one, a habit. Example for present simple, we have two sentences like I get up at 7:30 a.m. Kinda smokes too much. The second express to use a present simple, it's a fact which is always true. Like vegetarians don't eat meat. And we can say we come from Spain. The third express to use the present simple, it's as a fact which is true for a long time. I live in Oxford. She works in a bank. بمعنى أنه المضارع البسيط يستخدم للتعبير عن سلوك معين، والجملتين الأولى تدل على استخدامك في حالة التعبير عن سلوك معين، كأنه احنا أني أنهض كل يومية 7:30 صباحا، أو كنت يعني تدخن كل هواية. هذه عادة أو سلوك دائما يستخدمه الإنسان. أو ممكن أن نعبر عن البريزنت سمبل اللي هو المضارع البسيط للتعبير عن حقيقة هي تكون لفترة طويلة، هي تكون حقيقة لفترة طويلة. مثلا الفيجيتيريانز يعني اللي آكل النباتي، خلينا نقول لا يأكل اللحم، هذه حقيقة. we come from Spain، يعني هاي حقيقة انه لفترة طويلة انه هي جاية او نحن جايين من اسبانيا. ايضا يستخدم المضارع البسيط لحقيقة قلنا لوقت طويل. I live in Oxford، هو يعيش في أكسفورد. She works in bank، هذه حقيقة وهي عايشة لفترة طويلة بأكسفورد. وأيضا هو العفو أنا، وأيضا هي تعمل بنك منذ فترة طويلة. Present continue. The form to use the present continue is contained from the auxiliary verb, which is am, is, or are, plus verb plus ing. We can use it as a positive and negative. We can say, I am working, he is working, or she or it is working in the positive use. If I want to use it as a negative, we can say, he isn't working, or she isn't working. If we use a subject as explorer, we can say we are working. In case of negative, we can use you aren't working. إذا المضارع البسيط يتكون من الفعل المساعد am, is, are زائدا فعل ing، وممكن أن نستخدمه في جمل كجمل مثبتة وجمل منفية. ويتكون من الفاعل سواء كان I اللي تاخذ الام، والهي والشي والإت ياخذ الإز، والوي واليو والذي ياخذ الآر. بحالة النفي نضيف نوت على الفعل المساعد زائدا فعل قلنا ing. Question. To make a question in form of present continuum, we begin with a question word, which is here in this table, what, and then auxiliary verb am or is are or are, and then subject, and then verb with ing, and ending the question with question mark. Like, what am I working? What is he wearing? Sorry. What are you wearing? This is the question. If I make a question, which is the answer of this question, short answer, like if I ask, are you going? Yes, I am, in positive, and negative, we can say, no, I'm not. If I say, is Anna working? We can answer in short answer, yes, she is, and no, she isn't, in negative case. إذن لتكوين سؤال بالpresent continue أو المضارع البسيط نستخدم أدوات الاستفهام اللي هي what مثل ما قلنا، والهو والوير والوين وغير ذلك، زائدا الفعل المساعد الام والإز والآر حسب الام تاخذ الآي، الإز تاخذ هي والشي والإت، والآر تاخذ الجمع اللي هي الوي واليو والذي، زائدا فعل ing. والشورت انسر الأسئلة اللي تبدي مثلا بالفعل المساعد are you going، نقدر نجاوب بالجواب المثبت نقول yes I am or no I am not. Uses. The present continuous is used to express in case as an activity happening now. Like example, they are playing football in the garden. Or we can say she cannot answer the phone because she's washing her hair. That's mean the footballer or the children are playing football in the garden now. Therefore, we use present continuous. Or we can say she's having a shower in bathroom. Therefore, she can't answer her phone because the activity of washing her hair now, it's happening now, and therefore we should use present continuous in this case when we use for an activity happening now. The second express to use the present continuous, an activity happening around now, but perhaps not at the moment. Example, she's studying math at university. Or we can say, I'm reading a good book by Henry James. That means she studied in university, maybe before this moment and after that, and continue studying in the university. And also I am reading a good book for a while of time, not for that in this moment, around this moment. And another express to use the present continuous is a planned future arrangement. Example for this thing, I'm meeting Miss Boyd at 10 o'clock tomorrow. And we can ask, what are you doing this evening? That's mean I have a plan to arrange the meeting tomorrow. Therefore, I should use the present continuous to express about this thing. And also, what you are doing this evening. What's your plan to use in this evening? Therefore, we should use the present continuous. إذن المضارع المستمر يستخدم لحدث يحدث الآن كما في الجملتين الأمثلة الأول والثاني، وأيضا ممكن أن نوصف حدث يحدث حوالي الآن لكن ليس بهاي اللحظة وإنما مستمر. وأيضا في حالة أنه دا نخطط للقاء أو arrangement لشيء ما بالمستقبل. We can use have or have got. The form positive. In case of positive, we use the subject I, we, you, they plus have or have got and continue the sentence. Or we can use he or she plus has or has got plus continue the sentence. I have here we can say I have two brothers. You have got two brothers. You have got. Or we can say he has two brothers. She has got two brothers in case of positive. If I use a negative, we use subject plus don't have or haven't got plus continue the sentence, and we can use with he or she plus doesn't has or hasn't got any money. Continue the sentence. عندنا ال have وال have got بحالة التركيبة للجملة اللي بها have أو have got. تركيبة الجملة بحالة البوزيتيف أي المثبت راح نستخدم الفاعل زائدا have أو have got أو has got زائدا تكملة الجملة. وبحالة النيجاتيف نفسها هي الفاعل زائدا don't have or haven't got بحالة I والwe والyou والthey زائد تكملة الجملة، أو he والshe نستخدم وياها doesn't has or hasn't got any money. Have and have got mean the same. Have got is informal. We use it a lot when we speak, but not when we write. بمعنى انه الهاف والهاف جوت هما نفس المعنى ينطون، لكن الهاف دائما نستخدمها اثناء المحادثة ويا الاشخاص وهي informal، لكن الهاف نستخدمها بالكتابة. الهاف جوت من المستحيل انه نستخدمها بالكتابة وخاصة الساينتفك writing. If we make a question, we can use do plus subject plus have and continue the question. Or does he subject plus have a car. Like, do I have a car? Do you have a car? Or does he have a car? And we can also use have I got a car? Has he got a car? In case of short answer, we can ask, do you have a camera? The answer for this question, we can say, yes, I do. No, I don't. And if I ask, have you got a camera? Yes, I have. And in case of negative, I say, no, I haven't. بمعنى انه السؤال اللي يحتوي على الهاف او الهاف جوت نبدي بالدو والداز حسب الفاعل المستخدم زائدا هاف زائدا تكملة الجملة. والهاف جوت شلون نبدي السؤال بيه؟ هاف زائدا الفاعل زائدا جوت زائدا تكملة الجملة، او هاز زائدا فاعل زائدا جوت زائدا تكملة الجملة. مثل ما قلنا الهاف جوت نستخدمها دائما بالمحادثات الغير الرسمية، لكن بحالة الكتابة ما تحبذ استخدام الهاف جوت، وإنما نستخدم الهاف بالكتابة بتكون مرغوبة أكثر. We can use contraction اختصارات like VE and S with have got but not with have. like يعني ممكن أن نستخدم الاختصارات ويا الهاف جوت، لكن ويا الهاف ما نقدر نستخدم. مثل المثال اللي قدامكم I got a sister، استخدمنا بدل الهاف خلينا الاختصار. لكن إذا قلت I have a sister ما نقدر نقول I've a sister، غلط. Example 1. Correct the sentence. هذه مجموعة أسئلة جمل، هاي الجمل المعلومات اللي بيها خاطئة، فنحاول انه نصححها. Eskimos live in Africa. This is wrong. We should say Eskimo don't live in Africa, full stop. They live in Alaska. Number 2, Manchester United footballers wear yellow shirt. The answer, Manchester United footballers don't wear yellow shirt, full stop, they wear red shirt. Kangaroos come from Canada. This is wrong. Kangaroos don't come from Canada. They come from Australia. The sun shines at night. The sun shines at night. The sun, this is wrong. The sun doesn't. Why we use doesn't? Because it's singular. Sun. The sun doesn't shine at night. It shines in the daytime. In Britain, people drive on the right. In Britain, people don't drive on the right, full stop, they drive on the left. This is the wrong sentence. We corrected the wrong information in this sentence, and also we use the plural and singular, and also we use simple, present simple in this sentence. Example number 2. Complete the sentence with and, so, or but. And, so, or but. Number 1. She can speak French. She can't write it. We should say she can speak French and she cannot write it. He's going to work in Moscow, so he's learning Russian. Number 3, I went into town. I bought some food and went to the library. Number 4, I haven't got a car, but I've got a motorbike. 5, number 5, she's studying for an exam, so she cannot come to the cinema with us. إذن ربطنا الجملتين بأدوات الربط اللي هي and و so والبut. والكلمات اللي باللون الأحمر هي اللي ترها منخليها بالبلانك أي بالفراغات الموجودة بالجمل. Example number 3. Join the pairs of sentence in 2 ways using but and however. We have 2 sentences, 1, 2, 3, and we can join these 2 sentences by but and by however. 2 times we join it. The first one we joined these 2 sentences by but, and the second one by however. Number 1, we enjoyed the holiday. Full stop, it's rained a lot. We joined these 2 sentences by we enjoyed the holiday, but it rained a lot by but. And we can say we enjoyed the holiday, however, it's rained a lot. Number 2, he's moving to London next month. He doesn't like big cities. We can say he's moving to London next month, but he doesn't like big city. And we can say when we use however, he's moving to London next month, however, he doesn't like big cities. Number 3, she isn't English, she speaks English perfectly. We can join these 2 sentences by but. She isn't English, but she speaks English perfectly. Or we can join by however, and we can say she isn't English, however, she speaks English perfectly. بهذا المثال انه عندنا جملتين ربطناهم بادوات الربط but، مره but ومره بhowever. ف كل جملتين ربطناهم مرتين، فمثل ما لاحظتوا. Number 4, join the pair. Example number 4, join the pairs of sentence in 2 ways using so and because. Like the previous example, number 3, but here the different by using the so and because. Number 1, she went home. She was tired. We should join these 2 sentences by so and then by because. We can say firstly, she was tired, so she went home. Or she went home because he was tired. Here we find we use the result after so. But when you use because, we use the reason after because. Number 2, we didn't enjoy your holiday. The weather was bad. We can say, if we joined by so, the weather was bad, so we didn't enjoy our holiday. We miss the letter T here in number 2. Or if I joined by because, we should say we didn't enjoy our holiday because the weather was bad. Number 3, he worked hard. And the other sentence, he passed all his exam. We can join these two sentences by so and say he worked hard, so he passed all his exams. Or we join these two sentences by because, he say he passed all his exams because he worked hard. بهذا المثال انه ربطنا الجملتين بادوات الربط so و because. شنو الفرق بين السو والاثنيناتهم بتستخدم للربط، لكن من نستخدم السو نستخدم وراها النتيجة، ورا السو تيجي النتيجة، لكن إذا استخدمنا البيكوز لازم تيجي ورا البيكوز يجي السبب. وهنا عندنا مو خطأ مطبعي بالجملة رقم 2 بحالة الربط بحالة السو الرقم اللتر تي مفقود. Example number 5. Describing a person. Complete the text with a linking word from the box and but so because however. My sister and I are very different. Number 1. We can use but we get on well together. She likes staying at home in the evening. Number 2. And watching television with our parents. Number 3. But I prefer going out with my friends. Full stop. We like to go to the cinema or sometimes we just go to a cafe. I have exams soon. Number 4. So I am not going out very much at the moment. My sister is 6 years old than me. Number 5. And she works in a bank. She is trying to save some money. Number 6. Because she is going to get married this year. Here, fiance's name is Ferdinand. Number 7. But we all call him Freddy. People say I look like my sister. Number 8. Because we both have brown eyes. Number 9. And dark hair. Number 10. However, we are very different in character. She's very quiet. We can say here, but or and I am a lot more sociable. Homework: write a short paragraph to describe yourself and someone in your family. For your kind attention.